Temple blocks are very similar to wood blocks, but they come in a set of 5, typically tuned pentatonically, and have a little bit more hollow, rich, deep sound than a wood block does. Doesn't pierce quite as well through the ensemble as a wood block. So if you have a set of temple blocks, what do you play them with? May I recommend rubber mallets, just like with wood blocks. I typically set them up so that they're facing me with the lowest note on the left, the highest note on the right, just like a xylophone or marimba or any other melodic percussion instrument. Some temple blocks are made out of a really hard plastic and are a lot more durable than these wooden ones. With those, I still recommend a rubber mallet, which sounds great on those instruments, but you can play them with a wooden drumstick as well and not worry about damaging the instrument. I recommend hitting fairly close to the edge to get the most optimal sound.